Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited Gmail accounts for absolutely free. Therefore, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So, in order to create unlimited Gmail accounts, you need to open Gmail application. At the top right corner, you will see your profiles icon, so click on it. As you can see that using this method, I have already created a lot of Gmail accounts. So scroll down and click on this add another account option, click on Google. Now click on this option that says create account and select for myself. Enter your full name and click on next. Enter your date of birth and gender, then click on next. Now click on this option that says create your own Gmail address. Now what you have to do is to download this application from the Play Store called InstaTR. Once this application is downloaded and installed, open it, click on create an address automatically, and then click on this option copy email address. Once the email address is copied, go back to Gmail and paste the new email address here. Remove everything after this at the rate including the at the rate itself and click on next. Now create a strong password for your new Gmail account, and once you have created the password, click on next. So as you can see that it's asking for your phone number, so scroll down and click on skip. Click on next, again scroll down and click on I agree, and that's it. Your Gmail account is now created. In this way you can create unlimited Gmail accounts for free. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.